With Ukraine's drone surveillance covering a larger and larger area at a more constant rate, Russia still has a hard time to hide their equipment adequately. As once you're spotted, it's often too late to do anything about it, as Ukraine's drone army sends one after another. While Russia hoped their electronic warfare system would keep them safe in this situation, it's often not enough, as Ukraine has found several ways around this problem, making hiding the only safe option left, or to leave less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.